water issues go back pretty much as far as people have been farming. They take a variety of forms, from irrigation to dikes and diversions. And in many cases, there are winners and losers in water projects. For this week's Ag Week cover story, Mikkel Pates has been working on the long and complicated story of a drain ditch in southeast North Dakota. The case went all the way to the state Supreme Court and could affect many of those people involved in this case.
What happens when the North Dakota Supreme Court agrees with you that your illegal drain project is illegal, but the county assesses you for it anyway?
It was originally installed in 1919.
Paul Matthews' family has farmed along Drain 11 for decades. It's a 45-mile-long system of drain ditches built by pioneers to manage water and make the land farmable. The Drain 11 ditch system dumps water into the Wild Rice River, which empties into the Red River just south of Fargo. For nearly a century, Drain 11 quietly did its job, but about a decade ago, the Sargent County Water Resource District Board went ahead with a project to widen and improve the first 10 miles. They completed 4.5 miles.
The ditch is undersized for the public expectation of what a ditch should perform at.
But here's where it gets a little sticky. Matthews and other landowners thought the project was improperly split into phases and required a vote. They lost court cases on technicalities and then won when the water board sued them to use eminent domain to acquire land to widen the ditch. It's been a long and complicated legal battle because of the number of parties involved. Lyle Bope, a Sargent County commissioner and former county attorney, believed the project, and others like it, needed to go to a public vote before acquiring a bond.
When I suggested they take it to a public vote, he said it cost too much money. Well, I think in the long run it cost them about 4 times that kind of money.
Ultimately, the state Supreme Court said projects like this need to start with a landowner vote. And now the North Dakota legislature has been working on a number of bills to fix the Drain 11 case and are studying ways to avoid situations like this in the future.
I'm not saying, and no one is saying, we shouldn't have drains in North Dakota. But if you're going to ask landowners to pay for that drain, we have a rule in this state that they get to vote on it.
In Foreman, North Dakota, this is Mikkel Pates for Ag Week.
You can read much more in the next Ag Week magazine or at AgWeek.com.
Thanks for watching AgWeek TV on YouTube. Make sure to like and subscribe. We put out new videos every Saturday.